Hello, my name is Jerry. My mentor Joy and I created this club within the intention of adding more variety and fun, while at the same time allowing everyone to learn more practical skill. As a social science student, I still got a lot of a maker club, so I'm sure you will do it too. If you're seeking for more hands-on skill, creativity, and opportunity, come and join our club. Get your hand dirty.
As a student intended for engineering as my major, I thought joining this club can help me to innovate more and learn some knowledge outside from the textbook. I really appreciate our school can provide us these kind of machines to learn the knowledge outside of the textbook and also learn some useful skills, for instance, laser cut and also 3D printing. I've gained some basic knowledge with regard to the two machines I've mentioned. I thought this is really crucial for my major. For students who intended for physics-related or engineering as your major, I strongly recommend you to join our club and let's create something together.
I truly believe this club is for those who have a passion in creativity and who want to see what they are capable of, what they can create, what they can envision and execute with the greatest passion.
Making is fun!
Hello, I'm Jerry. I'm a member of the Maker Club. I think this club is a club that you can make your imagination come true. You can use many machines in this room, like laser cutter and 3D printer. If you don't know how to use this machine, you can ask teacher for help, and you can join our club and have fun.
Come and join our club. Even if you are a beginner like me, you can enjoy yourself and take your time. Here, you can turn all your brilliant and amazing ideas into reality. Imagine all the things you create on paper or model or the computer can be printed out as a tangible object. Isn't that cool? So bring your creativity and come to join us.